Hello. In this video, I will be reviewing the SSL channel chart alert indicator on the MetaTrader 4 and MetaTrader 5 platforms. This indicator helps us identify market trends.
7 powerful volume trading indicators: footprint, volume profile, and fast scalp. Level up your trading.
And also issues buy and sell signals for us. This indicator consists of two lines, a blue line and a brown line. When the blue line is above the brown line, it indicates an upward trend. And when the brown line is above the blue line, it indicates a downward trend. By changing the position of these lines and their crossing, we can also have an entry signal for a trade. For example, here the blue line M has broken the brown line upwards, which can give us a buy signal, and we can place the stop below the last swing low. The take profit can be considered with its opposite signal, meaning when a sell signal is issued, we can consider it as the take profit for this trade. And for the sell condition, it is exactly the opposite. Let's review the settings of this indicator together. The first option is the calculation period of this indicator. The higher we set this number, the later it shows us the trends and trend changes, and it displays smoother lines for us. For example, here I change it to 50. You can see that it considers this entire section as an upward trend, and here we have a downward trend with smoother lines, and we have fewer trends overall. The next option is for alerts, when we have a cross between these lines and a buy or sell signal is about to be issued. If this option is on, the alerts will be active. The next option is for alerts in the form of a message, which, if on, will issue the alert as a message for us. The next option is auditory, which, if on, will also play an audio file. And the last option is for alerts via email, which, if on, will display the alert in our mailbox. Let's watch a live test of this indicator on the MetaTrader 5 platform. You can also use the MT4 version of this indicator on the MetaTrader 4 platform. Let's watch a live test of this indicator on the MetaTrader 4 platform. In the end, if you have any comments, criticisms, or suggestions, you can share them with us through the comments section to help improve the indicators.